In today's fast-paced world, mastering English fluency can open up numerous opportunities in your personal and professional life. Whether you're aiming to excel in your career, travel confidently, or simply communicate better with friends, becoming fluent in English requires dedication, practice, and the right strategies. In this video, I'll share a comprehensive guide on how to achieve English fluency, providing you with actionable tips that you can start implementing today. First and foremost, understanding what fluency really means is essential. It's not just about speaking without hesitation or making zero grammatical errors. Fluency encompasses being able to express your thoughts clearly, understand others, and navigate conversations with ease. It involves a combination of speaking, listening, reading, and writing skills, and it's important to work on all these areas. Let's dive into some practical strategies to help you on your journey to fluency. One of the most effective ways to enhance your language skills is through immersion. Immersing yourself in the language means surrounding yourself with English as much as possible. This can be achieved by watching English movies, listening to English podcasts, or even changing the language settings on your devices to English. The more you expose yourself to the language, the more familiar you'll become with its nuances, expressions, and colloquialisms. You might wonder how to incorporate immersion into your daily routine. One simple way is to designate specific times in your day as English time. During these periods, engage with the language actively. You could watch a documentary or a series in English, ensuring you choose content that interests you. If you're a fan of cooking, for instance, try following English cooking shows or YouTube channels. This not only makes the learning process enjoyable but also practical, as you'll be picking up vocabulary related to your interests. Another effective strategy is to listen to music in English. Lyrics can introduce you to new vocabulary and expressions. Try reading the lyrics while listening to the song. This dual engagement will help you grasp the meaning and rhythm of the language. You can also explore different genres to understand various accents and dialects, further enhancing your listening skills. In addition to watching and listening, reading is another powerful tool for improving your fluency. Start with materials that match your current skill level, and as you grow more confident, gradually challenge yourself with more complex texts. Reading a variety of genres can significantly enhance your vocabulary. Fiction can introduce you to conversational language, while non-fiction can help you with formal language and specialized terms. Don't hesitate to keep a vocabulary journal where you write down new words and phrases along with their meanings and example sentences. This practice not only reinforces learning but also provides a handy reference you can revisit. Engaging with news articles is also a great way to improve your reading skills. Websites like BBC News or The Guardian offer content that is not only informative but also uses rich language. Summarizing articles or discussing them with others can deepen your comprehension and allow you to practice both writing and speaking skills. Speaking is arguably the most crucial aspect of fluency. You might feel nervous or self-conscious about speaking, especially if you're worried about making mistakes. Remember, making mistakes is a natural part of learning. A great way to practice speaking is to find a language partner or join conversation groups. These can often be found on social media platforms or language exchange apps. Practicing with others allows you to experience real-life conversations and gain confidence in your speaking abilities. If you can't find a conversation partner, don't worry, you can practice speaking on your own. Try recording yourself as you describe your day or talk about a topic that interests you. Listening to your recordings can help you identify areas for improvement, such as pronunciation or sentence structure. Moreover, practicing in front of a mirror can help you become more aware of your body language and facial expressions, making you a more effective communicator. Another effective method to enhance your speaking skills is shadowing. This technique involves listening to a native speaker and trying to imitate their speech as closely as possible. Choose short clips from movies, news segments, or TED Talks, and play them back, repeating what you hear. Focus on the intonation, rhythm, and pronunciation. This not only improves your speaking skills but also enhances your listening comprehension. As you practice, Pay attention to how native speakers use contractions, slang, and casual phrases. Incorporating these elements will help you sound more natural. As we discuss listening, it's crucial to recognize that active listening is key to understanding spoken English better. When you listen to English speakers, try to focus on their tone, pitch, and emotion, not just the words. This will help you grasp the context and intention behind their speech. You can practice active listening by summarizing what you've heard or discussing it with someone else. Another effective approach is to listen to audiobooks or TED Talks, taking notes on key points and vocabulary. This will not only improve your listening skills but also enhance your ability to synthesize information. Now, let's talk about writing. While many learners tend to focus on speaking and listening, writing is equally important for fluency. Start by keeping a daily journal in English. Write about your thoughts, experiences, and reflections. This practice not only improves your writing skills but also helps you think in English, which is a significant step towards fluency. Writing about your day, your goals, or even responding to prompts can enhance your ability to articulate your thoughts clearly. You can also participate in online forums or communities where you can write about topics that interest you. Engaging in discussions and receiving feedback from others can be incredibly beneficial. Websites like Reddit or language exchange forums can provide platforms for practicing your writing. This will allow you to practice different writing styles and tones, preparing you for various contexts, whether formal or informal. Grammar can often be a daunting aspect of learning a language. However, understanding the basic rules is essential for clear communication. Instead of memorizing grammar rules, try to learn them in context. When you read or listen, pay attention to sentence structures and how they are used. Online resources and apps can also provide interactive exercises that make grammar practice more enjoyable. Websites like Grammarly can help you correct errors in real time, which reinforces learning and improves your writing skills. Setting specific, measurable goals can also make your language learning journey more structured. Rather than saying, "I want to become fluent," aim for achievable targets like "I will learn 10 new words each week" or "I will have a 15-minute conversation in English every day." Tracking your progress through a language app or a notebook can help you see how much you've accomplished. Additionally, reviewing your goals regularly can help you adjust them as you improve. Consistency is another crucial factor in mastering English fluency. Make language practice a part of your daily routine. Even short, focused sessions can be more effective than sporadic, lengthy study sessions. Consider incorporating English into activities you already do, such as listening to music while commuting or reading during your lunch break. This way, you're integrating the language into your life rather than treating it as a separate task. Don't underestimate the power of joining a class or a workshop. Formal education can provide you with structured learning and valuable feedback from instructors. Additionally, being surrounded by other learners can create a supportive environment that motivates you to push your boundaries. Online platforms offer many courses tailored to various skill levels, allowing you to choose one that fits your needs. Websites like Coursera or Udemy often have courses specifically designed for English language learners. Another way to enhance your fluency is to engage with English-speaking communities, both online and offline. Participating in discussions, webinars, or workshops can help you practice and learn in a dynamic environment. Additionally, volunteering for organizations that require English communication can provide real-world experience and boost your confidence. Look for local events, clubs, or online meetups related to your interests. So these are excellent opportunities to practice English while meeting new people. As you progress, it's also essential to reflect on your learning. Regularly assess your skills to identify areas where you need improvement. Keep track of your speaking, listening, reading, and writing abilities. Consider recording yourself speaking on various topics, and then listen to the recordings to pinpoint areas for growth. This self-reflection is key to developing a personalized learning strategy that caters to your needs. Engaging in activities that require critical thinking and creativity can also support your fluency journey. Consider writing essays or blog posts on topics you're passionate about. This practice allows you to express your ideas clearly and improve your writing skills. You could even start a blog where you document your learning journey. Not only does this provide writing practice, but it also encourages you to think critically about the language and how you use it. Interactive language learning platforms can be particularly useful for combining various skills. Websites and apps like Duolingo, Babbel, or Rosetta Stone offer exercises that integrate speaking, listening, reading, and writing in a gamified format. This can make learning more engaging and less daunting. Additionally, many of these platforms allow you to track your progress, which can serve as motivation to keep pushing forward. Finally, remember that everyone learns at their own pace. It's easy to compare yourself to others, but fluency is a personal journey. Focus on your progress, and be patient with yourself. Celebrate the small victories along the way, whether it's understanding a difficult podcast episode or having a conversation without pausing to think too much. Surround yourself with supportive friends or online communities that encourage you to keep going. To wrap up, mastering English fluency is a journey that requires dedication, practice, and a variety of strategies. Immerse yourself in the language, practice speaking regularly, and engage with reading and writing. Embrace mistakes as learning opportunities. Set achievable goals, and make consistency a priority. Surround yourself with supportive communities, and reflect on your learning to tailor your approach. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to becoming a fluent English speaker. Remember that fluency is not an endpoint but a continuous process of growth and improvement. Stay curious, stay motivated, and enjoy the journey. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on mastering English and other language skills. Happy learning!